Okay, here we have the Opinel number 6 knife. It has the walnut handle and a stainless steel clip blade. It has the crown hand hallmark etching, and it does have the safety ring for locking the blade. Oh, there, it just fell over. But it's model number 00648. It's made in France, as all the others. Closer look of it real quick. Oh, I just realized this is the number 8, not the number 6. There's the locking blade though. But again, this is the number 8. It has the walnut handle with the stainless steel blade.